We start our journey in Cape Town, South Africa. This was the view from the plane. It was around a 15-hour flight. And this was my hotel. It had amazing breakfast. One of Cape Town's most popular tourist attractions is Table Mountain, and this is the view from the beach. This is Table Mountain up close. Table Mountain is 3,563 feet tall. Cape Town is also home to the only penguins in Africa, the black-footed penguins. And this is Boulder Beach, where most of the penguins can be found. This is Robben Island. It used to be home to a prison, but now is a tourist attraction. Lastly, this is the Castle of Good Hope, which is the oldest building in South Africa. Lastly, Cape Town is one of the largest cities in Africa. Next, we went to Victoria Falls, Africa. The falls are along the Zimbabwe and Zambia border. It is found along the Zambezi River. Some of the things we did there were go to Devil's Pool. Devil's Pool is a life or death experience at the edge of the waterfall. We also went bungee jumping. Lastly, we did whitewater rafting. The falls are 1,708 meters wide and 108 meters high. At Victoria's Falls, there are rainbows at night. And every minute, 5 million cubic meters of water pours down from the falls. Next is Mount Kilimanjaro. Mount Kilimanjaro is found in Tanzania inside a national park. This is the entrance to the park. Many species of different wildlife are found inside the park, such as these buffaloes and an elephant right in front of Mount Kilimanjaro. This was our tour guide standing at the peak of the mountain. And this was our view from the top. This is another view. You can see everything, and there's snow because of how cold it is up there. While we were out there, we also visited Chala Crater Lake. It is the tallest mountain on the African continent, and around 25,000 people try to climb it every year. Bandagara Escarpment, Mali. This is the cliff of Bandagara, and it is around 500 meters high. The cliffs of Bandagara are a sandstone chain ranging from south to northeast over 200 kilometers. This is one of the 298 villages found through the area. This mosque was also found in one of the villages. These villages were made in the 15th century. The Telem people inhabited these villages. They mainly left in the 1800s when slavery began to happen. This mosque was also found in one of the other villages. Lastly, we visited Giza necropolis in Egypt. We saw the Pyramid of Khafre, Pyramid of Khufu, and Pyramid of Menkaure. The three pyramids were the tallest man-made structures for thousands of years. A camel also showed us around. The tallest pyramid is 458 feet tall, and the Sphinx is 241 feet tall. Ancient Egyptians have built tombs inside of these pyramids. And this is Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure left to right.